So by now, I'm sure that you've seen the animations that the editors of Iman Gadzhi create. And if you haven't seen them yet, they look like this. Now, these animations take a lot of time to create. So now imagine if there was a tool that sped up this process and made it much easier. And there actually is a tool like this. So today I'm going to show you how you can create these animations like Iman Gadzhi within seconds with MotionVid AI. Alright, so we got MotionVid AI open right now and we have access to the new model, which is really great. It does a great job, so I'm going to show you now how it does that. So first, what we want to do if we want to edit like Iman, we're going to go to his channel and we're going to find some styles. Then what we will do is we will take a screenshot, or we can copy them and then copy them into ChatGPT. But let's find 3 of these. So let's find one more. Actually, you can also find these on Google. So let's find one on Google here. So let me take this one as well. Copy and paste it in ChatGPT. And let's find one more. So check this video out, see what he can do. Alright, so this works. Because it has this nice grid and nice colors as well. Nice gray and black and white. So now we're going to go to ChatGPT. And here in ChatGPT, we're going to paste this. So I just pasted it and we'll say, please extract the color and visual style of this image and design style. So we're going to copy that style that it just generated. And then we're going to go to MotionVid. And now we can describe the animation here. And then AI will generate the animation for us with the style. So let's say we, for example, paste the style. But what we can also do is we can go to the templates, which is going to make things even easier. And then we're just going to go and browse through these templates. And let's say we want to, for example, use something like this. So let's open it. So this is representing different groups and the percentages of those groups. So this could be really cool if we want to, for example, explain the percentage of likelihood of you getting a job in a certain job market. Then we can use this, right? But we want to use a different style for this. So what we can do now is we can say, please generate it in a different design style. And then we just prompt that design style. So then we say generate. And now the really cool thing is with MotionVid AI and with this new model, even though it takes maybe 30 seconds to generate the animation, you can do different things along the way. You also save time now, but you also can do more of these very easily. So it also elevates the standard of your work in your portfolio, which is great. So now if clients don't know about this new model yet in MotionVid, then it doesn't matter. Like they won't know. They think it's still taking a lot of time and a lot of work. You don't charge for the hours, you charge for the amount of skill that you have and the thing that you can provide. So now in the meantime, I could have gone and done all of these new animations, but this one is finished already. So let's check it out. Yeah, so as you can see, the style is perfect. And this one generates during around, I can also make it 60 seconds, during around 4 seconds per bullet point. So it's perfect for talking about each group. And if you want to extend that, you can just change it. But now what we can do as well, we can say, please make each group about different job markets and change and add a title to the top of the animation that says different job opportunities. Yeah, just let's keep it like that. Of course, we can go more in depth, but then let's generate it. And while this is being generated, let's just go create the next one. So let's say, for example, this style, and we say, please extract the color. And we have the style here. Now we can go through the templates again and take another template. So let's say we want to, for example, there's some really cool ones, but let's say we want to use a profile card like this. So you can see that's really cool. What we want to do is we want to duplicate it. Then we have access to both. So we have duplicate and we have access to the old one. What we want to do now is please generate it in the following design style. And we also want to, what we can already do, actually we do it after, but we can change the image. So we can upload the image here of Iman Gadzhi and then change it. So let's say generate. And now let's go to the next style, which is this one. And then let's take that. And while the others are being generated, well, we can check if the first one is finished. Yeah, as you can see, that's finished. So what I should have done here is I should have said, but please keep the same style. So what you can do now is you can undo and go back and say, please keep the same style. But as you can see, it's still really cool. It changed all of the text, but sometimes you have to be quite specific. So let's go find the template again. And let's say we want to do this time, what can we do? I mean, all of these will work, but for example, this one is very cool. So let's copy and duplicate this one. And now that we have a duplicate, let's say, please generate it in this style instead. We paste that, so now we'll generate it in that style. And now let's go back to the other one. So it's finished already, so let's go check it out. Okay, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, the style is quite specific, but it's quite different. So let's just go with it. So we upload an image from Iman Gadzhi, and then we have the image here. And then we say, now please replace the image with the image uploaded, and change the name Ali Dal to Iman Gadzhi. So now we will do both at the same time. So while this is being generated, we can go and create some more animations for our video. So let's go back, see what it did here. So as you can see, really cool. It did exactly what I wanted. So that is finished now, and now we can just change the title of this as well. All right, so now as you can see, the image here has been replaced. Iman Gadzhi has been replaced, and this is ready to export. So we can just click on download, and then it will take around a minute to export. So while it's exporting, we can just go somewhere else. So now let's say we want to, for example, also make title animations with this style. We can go templates. There's a lot of title animations that we can go with. So let's say go with this. Or actually, I remember seeing some really cool ones as well. This one, for example, let's go with this. So let's duplicate it. Now that it's duplicated, let's go and change the style. Please change the design style of the animation. And now once we have this style applied here and we save this and duplicate it, we add it to our templates, what we will become is really fast in creating text animations for our clients or for our own videos. Because once this is generated and you have it in your style, you can just duplicate it all the time and change the text. And that's going to be really fast and really cool. So you can do it multiple times on multiple browsers at the same time for your video. And then all the points are generated there. So yeah, that has been generated. As you can see, that's really cool. What we can also do is we can say, please animate it in letter by letter. And then it will do that as well. We can also make it bold text. Please animate it in letter by letter and make it bold text. Please also make the animation more kinetic, which will be cool. So we can generate that. And while this is being generated, I'm going to show you how you can create completely new animations from inspiring designs that you find. So let's say, for example, we find this design here on Pinterest, and we want an animation like this. Then we just go and save this. So let's save that. And now what we will do is we will go to the templates again. And we're just going to find something that's similar. So I found this one now, for example. And now what we will do is we will copy it again. So let's make a duplicate. And now we will say, please generate the following, an animation like the image uploaded or attached. Because if we upload an image, it will go actually into the design. If we reference an image, it will take it as a reference. So now that we have that uploaded, let's edit. So now that it's being edited, we can go back and check the other designs, or we can go and create some new ones if we want. So let's check this one out. So yeah, I think this one definitely fits better. As you can see, it goes letter by letter, and I think it fits Iman's style a little bit more. So this works really well. And now we can just download this if we want, or we can go and prompt it a little bit more to finally like get the result that we want. So that works really well. And now let's just wait for the other one to finish, and then you have a good understanding of how this works with MotionVid. But yeah, as you can see, it saves you so much time, so much money. You can do more jobs at the same time while using this platform, which is really cool. And with the new model that MotionVid has now, the results are getting really, really good. And I can't wait to see where this will go. All right, so this one is finished as well. So as you can see, it did a really good job. That is really cool. So yeah, this can be used now as well. We can change it to the style of Iman if we want to. So let's just do that. So let's say for example, we're using this, this one. Then we can just make it his style. Now please change it to the following design style. So yeah, we can generate it again. And then after that, we can of course change the balance, all of that. So let's say, for example, Iman's work is talking about how much money he generated doing agency work, for example, then he can just change that, because like with this model, you can achieve really cool things. Even if you want to do short form videos with multiple images in box style, then definitely check out more videos on our channel, which will show you how to do that. But yeah, this animation is finished now. So let's go check it out. So yeah, the perfect style. And of course, as you can see, it really sticks to the style that we've created. So if we want to make it a little bit different, we can just go and take another one of Iman Gadzhi, his animations, and we can change the style and we're done. So that's how you can now generate all of these animations within minutes. So you can start working on more client projects, save time, maybe play video games in between. So yeah, go check it out in the link in the description. It's completely free to start. And if you want to see more animations like this one, then go check out our channel.